Morning. We're here at St. Pancras International. We're gonna hop on a train to Belgium soon and hopefully sleep on the train and be in Belgium around noon, just in time for lunch. All right, we made it to Brussels. What do you think, girl?
I love it. This is perfect.
So we made it to Belgium. Now we're gonna find some food somewhere. Belgium's pretty sick. It's really busy and there's just people everywhere right now. The weather's perfect. Everybody's out and about. So we're gonna get some Mediterranean food right now and then maybe find some beer after this. Our marching band was nuts, but we kept on walking and now we're in the Grand Square. It's beautiful. Alright, we got out of that crazy tourist hellhole over there. But now we're going to another tourist hellhole. It's like a little pissing statue that's really famous here in Brussels. Let's go check it out.
It's a little pissing baby. And
Yeah.
he's dressed up like a little conquistador.
Alright, we're jonesing for a drink. Gonna go get a beer and Steph's gonna get some wine.
Let's hope that they didn't roofie this wine.
We're chilling so hard right now. Okay, that beer was just what I needed. I think we're gonna go check out some place that has chocolate now though.
Chocolate time.
Yeah. So what I like the most about Brussels so far is that it's just super pedestrian. There's no cars anywhere. It's beautiful, look at that. So we're having a hard time finding a chocolate place that sells just straight up chocolate. Everything's filled with all this shit that we don't want. So we're gonna keep looking. We found a really peaceful garden. I don't know what it's called, but it's really peaceful across from the Catholic Church here.
Time to go to church.
Alright, we ran into a little food market here, and there's a lot of gluten-free options.
Time to eat.
We're gonna check it out. That food festival was freaking awesome. We got pretty wasted in there. Gonna walk back to the hotel now and figure out what's up. How you feel, girl?
I'm feeling very good.
Yeah?
I loved it.
Alright, let's hit it. Brussels, day one. I think tomorrow we're gonna go to Bruges. It's this really romantic town, 1 hour away by train. So it's a good little day trip that people make from here. Brussels was pretty cool. I think we're kind of done with it for now. So we'll see what tomorrow holds. Morning. This hotel's awesome. I went downstairs and they had these little goodie bags. There's a croissant, like a ham and cheese sandwich, juice, yogurt. It's awesome. Whoa. Sick. So, as you can see, we made it to Bruges. Super romantic spot. We're just gonna go get some fries right now, get some beer and some wine, and then the romantic stuff's really gonna hit hard. We're gonna go walk the parks, walk the canals, and just check out this charming little town. It's really nice. So we just had the best burgers ever. They were so freaking good. And now we're just walking to the main square. It's gonna have a big, big tower. And we're just loving it here. This is so beautiful.
Very charming.
Yeah.
Very, very charming.
Love it. We're here at this tower. We might go up it, don't know yet. We gotta see how much it costs. Loving this place. So it's 12 euros to go up there. Too much for my blood. We're gonna keep walking. So what do you think of Bruges so far, girl?
I love it. It's way more charming than I ever would have expected.
We just got some chocolate. We're gonna go find a this like really famous bridge, and then we're gonna go to the park for lovers.
Time to make out.
Yep. Just gets more and more charming. It's pretty ridiculous. Steph, how romantic is it here?
It's incredibly romantic. I just love it.
Yeah? How much do you love it?
On a scale of 1 to 10,
Yeah.
like a 10.
A 10?
Yeah.
Beautiful. Steph, you ready for some beer?
We're heading to the brewery.
Alright, we're at the only brewery in Bruges. This is straight out of the tap. Let's see what it tastes like. So they say if you go to the bridge at this park right next to this brewery and walk across it, we'll experience eternal love. an hour to cry about it. But we're here on the bridge of eternal love. They say whoever walks down this bridge will have eternal love. And then over there is where we did it, right there.
Boom!
Steph was not expecting that whatsoever.
Blew my mind.
So now we're just gonna go enjoy it. She's like on cloud 9. I'm gonna be on cloud 9 once I fly the drone some more. And that's it.
Always and forever, each moment with you is just like a dream to me that somehow came true.
All right, we're walking back to the train station as we speak. And that's it for Bruges, Steph's new favorite city.
I love it. It's just too beautiful and perfect here.
Yeah. All right, that's it. Back to Brussels we go.
That won't ever change.